My Miele Novatronic W864 has a flashing rinse light on when I switch on and fill drum turns manually but does not work after. There was a loud noise during the last wash I did. I managed to switch off and open machine and retrieve clothes. Any idea what might be wrong? Then I can decide whether to have repaired. Thanks, B. Brown.
Hiya, my name is. I'll be trying to assist you today. The rinse's light flashing indicates a fault in the motor circuit. There are several possible causes. Carbon brushes worn out. Broken wiring. Faulty motor, faulty control board. Worst case is a faulty motor that has blown the board. Really expensive repair. If you can do the work yourself, unplug the machine and gain access to the motor. Check the wiring, check the carbon brushes. If both are okay, I'd suggest trying British Gas, Know-How, Currys, or Repair Care for a fixed price repair. I know British Gas charge £125 inclusive of parts and labor. You need to get quotes for the others. If they cover your area and it's a board and/or motor, you save on the repair. Hope this helps. Let me know how it goes or if you need more help. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.